Good afternoon. My name is R.K. Wilson with Myers Realty in Dover, Delaware. And I'm here talking to Jason Smucker, who is the president and owner of Smucker's Homes. All those great homes that you see that I post on Facebook, this is the guy that's in charge of that. So thank you for taking time to come out and talk to us.
Thank you, RK, for having me.
So one of the things that I wanted to do is just get started. How long have you been in business?
I've been in business almost 20 years now. We started in 2001, and I worked for builders in the area of Philadelphia prior to that for about 5 years.
Okay. Now, another thing is that there's a ton of builders that are down here. What would you say, in your thoughts, make you stand out from what everybody else does?
The big difference for us is two major factors. Our customization and allowing people to come to us, change walls, change a house from a 3-bedroom to a 4-bedroom with minimal cost if there's no structural changes.
Yeah, so one of the things that the customers that I've brought here, they really love is the fact that you can change everything inside of the square footage of the home the way they want to. So if they want 2 masters instead of, just a normal thing, it's not cookie cutter, which is very, very unique in this area down here. So, and that also means that if it's inside of the square footage, there's no extra cost for them.
Correct. Yeah, as long as we're not changing the footprint of the house, we're working within the boxes we have, and we don't charge them anymore.
Okay. And also, when you do your models, they can have their own floor plan as well, right? They don't have to choose the models that you have in there on the wall and all that.
Correct. Yeah, we have a wide variety of houses we've designed and built over the years. Plus, you can bring anything from the web, and we can say, hey, this is going to cost this much approximately to build this house. If you want us to design it exactly to your liking, we can do that as well. Yeah,
and that's one of the things that a lot of clients that have come here, they've actually loved, is that you have to take the time to sit down with them and actually go over and we have people come in, they bring notes and they draw stuff on the actual blueprints, and you have to take the time to do that, which is really a good thing because that's really unheard of.
Yeah.
As far as that's concerned.
For me, customer service is key. I'm one-on-one with the clients. I know what they're going to want and expect in the houses. I manage construction myself, make sure it's built the way I want it built, and just as a small company, we manage everything. I manage everything internally.
Right, and that gives that kind of personal touch, which a lot of people seem to really like.
Correct. Yeah, rather than just talking to a big machine company.
Yeah, I understood. One of the things you also do that I love is the fact that you give away a lot more stuff that's standard than most people do. I know one of the things you do in finished basements, and there's a whole list of different things that you do for customers. People really love that. One of the things they really ask about too is just like the energy efficiency of the house. So you can kind of elaborate a little bit on that.
Yeah, in our houses, we use standard and R23 insulation, the highest in the industry in this area. We use a product called Zip System, which if you go to our Facebook post or to our website, you'll see the green walls. This reduces the air infiltration. Our houses are much more energy efficient. They're insulated in the basements or the crawl spaces, reducing your energy bill, reducing the cost of home ownership. It saves money in the long run, and your house stays warm much easier.
That's awesome. That's awesome. One of the things else, the time frame. Because a lot of people ask that. Watching your videos, people are curious, how long does it take to build a house from the ground up?
Typically, once we get the foundation in, we're about 4 months, weather permitting. Sometimes it can take a little longer, or people do a lot of changes during construction. It's going to add to the time. But as long as we stick to the original plans and we have decent weather, we're in that 4-month time.
So as long as they don't add anything else while the house is being built.
Correct. Yeah, we can add all we want before construction, and that's easy to change. But once we start building, it becomes a time factor and communicating with everybody on the changes.
Okay. Well, that's pretty much all I had for you. I just wanted people to put a face to the construction that they're seeing all over Facebook and what's going on here. You've done very well getting everything off the ground, and there's a lot of happy clientele that we have. If you guys are looking for anything as far as custom homes are concerned, this is the guy to see. I know right now inventory is low, but why search for a house when you actually built one from the ground up? If you have any questions for me, my number is 302-505-2192, and you also know where to find me. Thanks so much for coming out to talk to us. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.